I just wanted to show you a different Zippo lighter. It's the brand Zippo. It's a memorable lighter from a military service in FN forces in Bosnia. It's the shield of the troop, FN troop S4. SFOR, and it's written in Cyrillic alphabet as well. It's really nice lighter, never been used and is not going to be used either, so I think you can see a little bit of shitty camera, but you can see the shield there. And in the background of the shield there is a writing of stones in Bosnia. It comes with a little instruction book, you can call it, and a little box. It's supposed to look like a matchbox with the Bosnia S4 number 2 windproof lighter. It has fake, what do you call it, fake, yeah, you see, fake, you know what I mean. Okay, yeah, I just wanted to show you that one. Okay, thank you.